Hello, welcome to European Open Briefing for Wednesday, May the 15th. I'm Rafi Barjan at xm.com, and we're going to be taking a look at what's happening in the currency markets today. Trade worries continue to ease this morning after yesterday President Trump called the latest escalation as just a little squabble. So we're seeing a fairly decent rebound in equities. We saw gains of around 1% yesterday overnight on Wall Street, and Asia closed higher as well, though we are seeing a more cautious start in Europe at the moment. Not seeing much of a response in currency markets, though the Aussie and the Kiwi is still struggling against the US dollar. European currencies doing slightly better, and the dollar itself is marginally down on the day. If you have a look at the main safe havens, the yen, the franc, and gold did retreat yesterday, but we are seeing some of those moves being reversed this morning. We can see here the Swiss franc is actually firming against the US dollar. Gold is hovering just below the 1,300 level, so there's still plenty of caution in the markets. Traders want to see more concrete signs that the talks between the US and China can get back on track, and that the deal can be within reach once again. Trump is trying to reassure markets. He said that the dialogue with China remains very good and that a deal could be done much faster than thought. The Australian dollar, though, is still on the back foot. It's actually fallen to fresh 4-month lows against the US dollar. We did see some disappointing data out of China this morning. Both industrial output and retail sales missed expectations in April. The yuan is also trading close to its 4.5 months lows against the US dollar. So there's once again some worries about the growth outlook, and that's going to remain the market's focus later today, because we do have US retail sales and industrial output numbers coming up. We're also going to have some Canadian inflation numbers, and early tomorrow there could be more volatility ahead for the Australian dollar, because we do have employment numbers coming out of Australia. So both that Aussie data and the Canadian inflation numbers could play a big role in upcoming central bank policy meetings. So that's it from me. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day.